What is machine learning? Ever wonder how YouTube recommendations exactly what you want to watch? It's not magic, it's a machine learning, and in the next 90 seconds, I will make you understand it like never before. Machine learning means teaching machines to learn from data just like humans learn from experience. You don't program every rule, instead, you feed data and the machine learns patterns. Let's take one example. Show a child 100 pictures of cats. Eventually, they start recognizing cats on their own. Same idea, but with data and algorithms. Real world examples: Netflix suggestions, Google Maps predicting traffic, face unlock on your phone. You just learned machine learning in 90 seconds, ready to explore the different types. Stick with me, it keeps even more exciting. If you learned something new today, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Master of Data Science.